Hey guys, I want to share you a new product. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 2023. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 walks the thin line that separates where the everyday meets the racetrack. The Camaro's supercharged 6.2-liter V8 is a well-behaved and tractable engine that makes power all over the rev range. Whether paired with the standard 6-speed manual transmission or the available 10-speed automatic, the supercharged small block V8 is an absolute juggernaut. Even in lesser forms, the Camaro is a satisfying handler with quick and communicative steering, a balanced rear drive chassis, and a surprisingly supple ride. The ZL1 only heightens these qualities. Its adaptive dampers change their stiffness based on the selected drive mode. But even the hardcore modes don't ruin the car's decent, if firm, ride.